cool. What the heck is a windstorm? Whoa. Windstorm's getting fun. It's the best. Oh my god. Mini windstorm. Mom, there's a windstorm outside. A mini windstorm. It looks so windy. I'm sorry. Rain the heck out here. Whoa. I'm gonna go on some. Mom, there was wind literally everywhere.
Yeah,
I know, it's just breezy. The wind is killing my life. Wind coming through around here. Mom, I'm gonna film just in case to see if there's any if anything is hurt. Except for that box right there. Hopefully the guinea pigs are alright. Hopefully they are. I've got the wrong cage. Yeah. Oh, guinea pigs are nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey guys. Hey guys, I'm here. Hey guys. There's a big windstorm outside. Yeah, not a major one, just a mini one. It's just windy outside, so I just think it's windstorm. Yeah, guys, it's just so windy outside. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Say anything. So we got into a bathroom. Charlie, you trying to go out in the windstorm? Hopefully not. Oh, awesome. Here you go. What the hell? This wind is all breezy. My god, that is the windstorm. I'm get us a windstorm! Get in the windstorm! Today is Friday, it's a windy day! Yeah, windstorm gets past me! My god. Oh my god.